Hello everyone, how are you? This is our booth and welcome to visit our booth. Today I recommend for this storage box, and this very good storage box. As you know, this is the good quality PPNW one and with printing, and also have the strong handle by PP woven, and also for this handle is very good. And also they have we could fold for this bag, and so for easy carrier. When you outside for picnic, they also strong to put some the vegetable and the fruit. And then for this one is also have the on the side is very good easy to carry. So it's the and the inside have the cardboard. So this is very good. And for the packing, we also like this here, and like this. Like this, one piece, one poly bag, and then is the 20 pieces for cotton. So we export to the USA and Europe. So please, hope you like this style, and any questions, please contact us. Thank you very much.